Thanks for watching. On my 2023 XR650L, so I removed the really weird, ugly, kind of pointless chain guard or whatever you want to call it that was on it from the factory. It's more just a sticker holder, held information about chain tension and tire specs. Well, so I ordered this shark fin looking thing that definitely improves the aesthetic of the bike for sure, and I actually kind of like it. So I will be selling this in my store pretty soon, and I'm not for sure. I think this took 15 days for it to arrive, so I will be drop shipping these. Just go to my store, survivaldirtbikes.com, and it will be available for purchase very soon. So today is April, oh, I don't know what today is. Let me look here. Today's April 18th. I think I ordered this April 3rd. So most of the things that I've ordered that I will be selling have arrived from China in about 2 weeks. So it's nice CNC machined aluminum, one piece, and it looks like a nice quality part. A huge improvement over the way it looks from the factory. And I did use the hardware, the mount hardware that came with the kit. So those two Allen bolts, I used those. I used a little bit of blue thread locker, and it fit just fine, of course. I got some more stuff coming. I have a helmet that, if I like it, it's a dual visor helmet. I'm going to do a review video on it, and if I like it and it's of value, I'll be selling that. I have a skid plate coming, still waiting on it. All kinds of stuff. Pretty soon I'll be making a video about my handlebar setup I'll be going with. I'll be putting D606 tires on it. Well, I might not do D606s. I really like those, but there's some other choices out there I might give a try, so we'll see about that. And I just got another sprocket. So right now there's a 14 tooth primary drive brand, the wide type of sprocket. It's, much wider than the factory 15 tooth. The 14 tooth primary drive that I got works just fine, but I also just received a Fritzco 15 tooth. I think I'm going to go ahead and put that on it, since I'm still running the factory tires, and these things just scare the crap out of me on the dirt. So I really don't take this off-road right now. I'm going to go ahead and wear these tires out on the street with a 15 tooth front sprocket, and I'll do a review video on the sprockets. From what I can tell, the Fritzco looks very much like the primary drive brand, but I like to support the creator of the sprocket, so I wanted to go ahead and get the Fritzco. I'm probably going to go ahead and order a Fritzco 13 tooth. Still waiting on my Pro Circuit T4S exhaust, the slip-on silencer. I'm not doing a header, but I am doing header wrap. So I ordered header wrap also, and if I like that, I'll be selling it. I won't be selling exhaust systems at this time. I can't get Pro Circuit exhaust. So far I can't not get them to sell them. Maybe that'll change hopefully here in the future. But like I said, everything that I get, I want to test it before I sell it. Um, and This is just going to be an ongoing project. More videos to come. And I appreciate the recent subscribers. I've gained like 40 subscribers, 45 subscribers here in the past couple weeks. So there's been a drastic increase in subscriber and viewership, which I really appreciate. And I appreciate all the questions and comments. And look towards the future with survival dirt bikes. It's slowly building into something, and I'm gonna keep this thing going. Thank you very much for watching.